Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Vijay Six, Assistant Professor Sarkari PG College Merawa. You know, I'm always represent the motivational video, international lecture, nature lecture, related to economy, marketing, engineering, and etc. So today I'm giving this speech on the international business. Friends, what is the importance of or advantage of international business, and what are the losses of international business today in the modern economy? The first I say to you, what is the meaning of international business? Friends, international business means the international business, the carrying of the business activities beyond the national boundaries. So, it is an extension of domestic business, which includes the transactions of economy, resources as such as goods, capitals, services, comprising of technology, skill of labor, transactions, etc. So that is the most important and the most of the main tools. It includes not only the international trade of goods and services, but also that is the most of the foreign investment. Friends, international business is the terms used the collectively describe the operations of the firms which interested in several countries. Simply, it is a business beyond the national or potential border of the firms. Friends, it is the very often terms such as international competitions, multinational corporations, transactional deals, globalization, multi-domestic business model, worldwide sales, domestic of global market, place and so as daily. So friends, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, all these they capture one or another issues the concerning international business. Such in the international business require more businesses in the borderless world. दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हो, एक प्राय दिन सदैव प्रतिदिन ऐसा होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि पहली बार हो रहा है. So also this is the deals of the course of opportunities around in the borderless world. Now today, this is the most important of the international business. That is, the first must be able to reap up the opportunities while able negotiating with the attending threat. So my friends, that is the most of the every country firms must not only deal with the general business functions and the values. This is the and most important, but also the understanding and work from a global perspective, that is the add multiple variables such as divergent geo conditions, different political dynamic, multicultural nonsense, volatile financial conditions, different times and zones, and vast spiritual. That is the most important today, the international business. So, I mean, this is my self opinion. The today, the deafness and foreheadingness are much needed for doing the business across the global. Now the most important point, international business is a broad terms which includes all commercial transactions that takes place between nations. There are many ways to the defined international business. One of the cultures or extreme of the spectrum, we find the international business in the terms of export and import and other extreme, and we define the other definition of international business means the today we define of the international business in terms of the worldwide commercial activities, which includes transactional manufacturing, transactional marketing, transactional organizing, transactional investment, transactional surviving, transactional financing, and transactional managing. This is the most today in the international business. So now you know the managing such as the globe geo physically spread the business across the different nations who have the different cultures, political, legal and social system is known as international business management. Now, the other definitions of the international business, that is the most important definitions according to American Business Associations, that is define the international business means international business is a commercial enterprise that perform the economical activities beyond the local has branches or two or more foreign countries and makes up the economic, cultural, political, legal and other differences between one country to another country. Okay, now the next point, advantage of the international business. फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप डिफिनेशन से आपको मालूम हुआ कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार क्या है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार से अब ये जाने के अंतर्गत फायदा क्या है, एडवांटेज क्या है, प्रॉफिट क्या है। टुडे जैसे कि आप जो जानते हैं कि आज वर्तमान समय में एनी एक्टिविटी, कोई देश हो, कोई इंस्टीट्यूट, कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन हो, एवरी कंट्री उनका दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंस रोल और मेन मोटिव्स द एनी हाउ गेन ऑफ फाइनेंस, गेन ऑफ एडवांटेज, सब मुनाफे के लिए, फायदे के लिए व्यापार करते हैं, वर्क करते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, एक्सपोर्ट और इंपोर्ट करते हैं। अब जो अगला जो टॉपिक होगा, पॉइंट होगा, वो एडवांटेज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस। फ्रेंड्स, यू नो इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस देयर आर मोस्ट एडवांटेज, it is listed by the our international business are as follow. That is most first point, more variety of goods available for the countries. Second point, बहुत सारे आपके पास देश में प्रोडक्ट गुड्स अवेलेबल हैं। सेकेंड, बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार में आपकी चॉइस ऑफ गुड्स होता है, चॉइस ऑफ टेक्निक के आधार पर आपके पास ऑप्शन ज़्यादा है, बेटर क्वालिटी है, बेटर क्वालिटी आपको मिलेगी, जो आप प्रेफर करेंगे वो क्वालिटी आपको मिलेगी, इसका एडवांटेज मिलता है इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस। नेक्स्ट, कंपटीशन बोथ एट द इंटरनेशनल लेवल एज वेल एज लोकल लेवल। नेक्स्ट, closer list between nations, more exchange of technology know-how, अधिक से अधिक टेक्नोलॉजी तकनीक को आप चेंज करेंगे। कैसे करेंगे कि जब दो देश आपस में व्यापार करते हैं तो लेन देन करते हैं, एक्सचेंज करते हैं, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज आप पढ़े ही होंगे, देखा ही होगा, उससे बेनिफिट ज़्यादा मिलता है दोनों कंट्री। नेक्स्ट, लीगल प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूसर विल ट्राई to improve the quality of their product, increasing in employment locally, increase the employment locally, enhance the domestic competitiveness, increase sales and profit. Now next, extend the sales potential of the existing producers, maintain cost competitiveness in your domestic market, exchange potential for exchange expansion in your business, gain of global market share, reduce dependence on existing market, and last point है stabilizing the seasonal market in fluctuations. Now next point, the problems of international business. फायदा तो आपने देखा, लेकिन नुकसान भी देख लीजिए। तो बट क्या क्या आपको अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार से आपका इससे प्रॉब्लम पैदा होता है, अब उस पर हम चर्चा करते हैं। डिसएडवांटेज क्या मिलता है, देखते हैं। द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, लोकल प्रोडक्शन में सफ़र, क्षेत्रीय उत्पादन है वो सफ़र करेगा, चल नहीं पाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर द वीकेस्ट सेक्टर, यू वीकर मार्केट है और यू आर कंट्री, तो हाउ विल सेव एंड हाउ विल survival for international market in rich countries. Captain, how will competitor they are poor country and rich country, or labor intensive country or capital intensive country? That is the main disadvantage in the international business. Local industries may try overhead by their international competitors. Rich countries may influence the political matters in other country and gain the control over weaker session. Ideological differences may emerge between nations with regards to the producers in the trade politicals. Next, the political instability is a major factor of the discourage the speed in the international business. The friends, you know, the developing countries with the less purchasing power, while the rich country or developed country, they are more purchasing power. So this is the most disadvantage in the international business. And last, governments of various countries impose tariff, quota, import and export quotas and trade barriers in other to the product domestic business. Thanks. If you interested, if you are satisfied my lecture, then you have like my video and you comments and like my YouTube channels Study Point Dr. Vijay Singh. Thank you. धन्यवाद.